wena kunento lokuyenza and ulokucansa ngazi all along and I've been keeping quiet for way too long. Each and every time ukhipha izisu.
Aw.
Listen, ngibuye emakhaya manje and you don't know what they told me. And the worst part nalapha engikhona. Yeah, it's fine even if you're saying papa. Ibhlungu lento lesho. Mina I'm taking care of you two kids. Ngithanda unabantwana bakho and ngiyabanakekela. Usihle uyangithanda la ngimenzela everything. Mr. Crash ngimenza ukid uzongenza kanje wena. Everything inesiko. Labantwana labo lokubachitha, so I'm telling you and I'm warning you. Izokulandela in the future. Maybe now you don't say anything, but
why are you taking out abantwana bakhe?
Because I don't want more kids and I don't know how to tell this boy this guy nicely.
Wait.
I'm giving you 3 months of this relationship. After 3 months, if you don't get pregnant, it's a done deal.
Molweni mandizibulise lapho kuni nonke emakhaya lami igama LAVAWS pronounce lover sinkumkani abandaziyo banibiza ngoMr Nzokulight mshenami. Thank you so much guys for always tuning in into Jozi Pescope nokuthi nizilibali ukusimelela lapho josipescope.co.za. Well guys, namhlanje ngibhalele ngo my brother lana. My brother uthi nja yami angiphathekanga grand enhlizweni ngimoshakele. Ngicela nje ni Jozi Pescope uniphuthume nizonginceda. My brother kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani Brian?
Ngiyaphila nami bhuti. Ngisacela nje uzintroduce nje yami ngiyabona ukwatile uzintroduce kuma viewers ukuthi igama lakho ubani and why usibhalele namhlanje la ku Jozi Pescope.
Sanibonani obingelelayo umduduzi wakwaZulu Sibongo. So Brian into engenza ukuthi ngibhalele show ngine flop yabo and flop yami serious ngendlela emangalisayo. Show shuthi ngine maid Brian laphana uShantel. So
unfortunately uShantel.
Yeah, uShantel Brian shuthi like sijole like for 4 years manje. So ngimthola nabantwana abayi2 yabo. So engathi ngine flop. So mina all along ngilongicanga uma sister maybe une flop akatholi bantwana or kwenzakala something. So unfortunately khona la ngiye khona. So la wathi kule ndawo le akhipha khona izizo. Yabo. So uma isister une flop ngendlela ukuthi each and every time lokufuna ngondlane nabantwana bakhe. Mara mina akafuni ukungizalela. Sengibuya nasekhaya bangirasela each and every time ngumzulu Bram njengoba ngisibona sama kwaZulu. Bafuna abazukulu bafuna everything ngalomntana lo angimazi Bram. Sengibuya lapha so ngingakho ngibhalele wena Bram ngicela ungisize ukuthi ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ngani nami lomntana ngikhiphela iziso sijola kahle everything imnandi endlini. So ukuthi kwenzakalani angicavi.
No balila ngiya understand and nami ngi out ayingiphathi grand njami ngeke ngithi ngithandana nomuntu ngithi ngiyamthanda mara akafuni ukuthi engizalele mina ingane. Wena nje yami uthi find out kanjani ukuthi
okay so futhi kunendawo la aya khona so ngizithole nami sengida so ngiyafika lapha uma isister ngathi uya advisor nantonyana sengikhipha isithombe ngiyambonisa na email yami yabo uyabuza lo my sister lo ngimjwayele yabo seka check manje ngithi muthi umjwayele ufuna ukuthi uchecka kuma visitors role yabo uyathola my sister uyafika la sengibona igama so sengiyambuza ukuthi wenzani makafika la uyangitshela each and every time makafika la ufuna amaphilisi okhipha isiso.
Hayibo, la kuleyo ndawo ngiyindawo abadila ngokuthi umuntu makafuna ukwenza iabortion.
Yeah, like some sort of a pharmacy or kuthengiswa nezinto yonke into laphana. So to my sister uloku uya laphana behind my back mina ngiyazama ngi-out ngenza yonke into ngizitshe ukuthi maybe nginenkinga or something sengiya lapha sengiqeda ukuthola ukuthi my sister lo ukhipha iziso lapha so ngifuna ukwazi nami ukuthi yini Bram ngakho ngibhalelele show yini emenza ukuthi enze kanje angazi angitshele at least nami ngizoba neclosure because all along lo ngizitshe Bram nginenkinga maybe angizali or kwenzakalani yabo. So please Bram ngisiza ngayo yonke indlela.
Okay bale okay before sivaye nje amuke wazama ukuthi mhlambe le ndaba uzama ukubiza ifamily yakho or ifamily yakhe nihlalisane phansi ngoba uthe nihlala nonke angithi. Just ukuthi ikhulunywe grand le ndaba ngabantu abadala.
Bram uzobona for sure mesifika lapha njengoba ngisho email yami idushu Bram yabo. Yeah, nami ngazifaka so unako ukunderstand lapho nalapho so kunzima. Yeah, unfortunately kunzima ngiyazama that is why sengizidlulele phambili sengithi maybe akungenela abantu abangangisiza because mengiyiwani ngiyahluleka and ifamily yami angiboni konke engayenza Brian ifamily yami incane kakhulu.
Okay so uthi masuka lana balelami sisiya kuye uShantel ufuna sikuncede ngani Greenshop masifika lapho kuyi.
Kahle mina prime thing ngifuna okokuqala ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi why khiphana nezisu number 1 uyenziswa yini lento lena and then number 2 ngoba uGreen River ngisamncanya Brian so affair no sanction ngoba ngisho ukuthi sina 4 years is push so mina ngesingami noma ngangitshela ireason yazi yonke into ine reason maybe une reason so please ngifuna ukuthi maybe sizame ukuyilungisa ekugcineni bese ngimnikeza 3 months ukuthi angizalele if after lo 3 months akamithi please ngiyayikhatha indaba yami na
uzoqhubeka ngelife.
Yeah maybe nabakubo mase bangibona sengibhalelele show maybe bayithatha serious maybe ngekho la engayikhuluma khona izwakala yabo so ingakho ngibize wena Brian so
no ngiya understand njami kukude kungakanani from la singava ngekaro
hayi ngokufikela ngakhona ngasekhoneni kudanje Brian ngukithi kodwa lapha yazi.
Okay no Mr Jones please let's go Mr Blackson.
Yeah.
Hey, no ngiyaku-understand le ndaba izithanda ukuba bucayi wena njami njenge-out mina ngiyayibuza ukuthi why ama-cherry ezokhohlakala kanje ukuthi umuntu mfethu umthanda and uyasho ukuthi uyaspana ngithi wena.
Ngiyasipana bra uthanda mangondla abantwana bakhe Grand Sharp nalabantwana bakhe yabona bangincanywa big time yabo bangifatela so maybe usaba lento leyo ukuthi mase soba nabethu ngizofocus kwabami ngikhohlwa bakhe angazi so manje mina akangitsheli next bra angazi next kwenzakalani so yeah into ezikanjalo.
No but ngithanda ukusho mfethu nakwamanye amadoda abukele la ngaphandle mfethu big up to you nje yami ukuthi uthola umuntu enabantwana and then umthande mfethu yabo ngoba awazi ama reasons ngoba abantwana banacala nani big ups to you ukuthi mfethu you were there for ingane zakhe it's just that yena angazi wayezokhohlakala kanje ukuthi akabona ukuthi you are a good dad nje at least nayo kuzalela bakho abantwana kube fake lokho ngoba ayikho fake manje mase yenzeka ngalendlela eyenzeka ngayo yangithola
ayikho free ngibhlungu kakhulu emoyeni yabo ezinye izinto ngihlezi ngina everyday akangibonisi nokuthi mhlawumbe umuntu obusy nga something yonke into ihlezi noma nake edladleni
oh singena khona la haya singene balelami I just want to say pick up nje yami for lokho mfethu ukuthi you are standing out awuzange wathi akusingane zami lezi uthanda lo muntu umthanda nezingane zakhe already ngaleso sikhathi wena akakuzaleli uyangithola
maybe yobona singasekho prime kunje emhlabeni you don't always get what you give yabo so maybe now I'm going to learn the hard way but it's part of life
balela oh nje angicela ungamkhwaza balelami ngoba vele uyangithola no ngisamele bafulana umduduzi guys but into yakho iyangithasha bafethu I don't wanna lie ngiyazibuza ukuthi kanjani ngapha umjita uyanakekela ingane zakho uyazi ukuthi sometimes khona amanye amadoda ukuthi mayekuthola ku relationship no like niba ku relationship ekuthola unezingane wena evele engayithanda ingane efuna ukuthanda mara ukawu is doing his best ukuthi ay
What's wrong?
no relax baby.
Hello sis how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
My name is Lovers from Josie Pescope. This is crew Mr. Jones and Blexin.
What's the problem?
Yeah, that's why we are here. He's gonna explain why we are here because we are not fighting with you. It's just that we need
So why you bring cameras if you're not fighting?
This matter.
What's all this?
Why? Because of this attitude.
Oh,
Yes.
oh.
Okay, can
My
you listen?
attitude today.
Can you
All
listen
right.
to him to do that, please? Because he's the one
Speak,
that called
you
us.
famous what camera speak.
Are
Let
you
me hear
ready to
you.
listen now?
Yeah.
Okay lalela.
All right.
Uyazi why ngila ne. Wena kunento lokuyenza and lokuqantsa ngazi all along and I've been keeping quiet for way too long.
Yinle.
Yazi
Yin.
ukuthi wena each and every time ukhipha izisu.
Ow.
Ungafuni lo ngikuprovela please. Ungaloku phika.
Ow.
Yeah.
Ow.
Yeah, akukhona nokukhuluma. When you see and listen, ngibuye emakhaya manje and you don't know what they told me. And the worst part nalapha engikhona. Yeah, it's fine even if you're saying papa. Ibhlungu lento lesho. Mina I'm taking care of you with 2 kids. Ngithanda unabantwana bakho and ngiyabanakekela. Usihle uyangithanda la ngimenzela everything. Mr. Crash ngimenza ukhithi uzongenza kanje wena. Awufuni umntana wami yini wangenza so? Why wenza so? Ngenzeni mina?
Chantel, why are you doing this to my brother? Because he told us
Ah,
that
you know what, man?
you have your own kids, right?
Yes.
How many are they there?
There are 2.
Oh, okay. So
And
why?
he's fine. He's taking care of them. They are our kids now.
Oh,
So
Funeka.
why do I have to bring his kid?
Oh,
Yeah.
But
angibafuna abantwana. Hello, ngumzulu. Hello.
Mara sisi, you are not fair.
But he knows what he signed up for. I told him from
So
the
did
start I don't want more
he
kids.
sign up for you to do abortions and stuff?
Well, I had to do it. I told him from the start I don't want angifuna abantwana
Fine,
bakho.
awufuni for manje is fine. Mina ngilodo umzulu everything inesiko. Labantwana labo lokubachitha so I'm telling you and I'm warning you. Izokulandela in the future.
Ow.
Maybe now you don't say anything but mark my words. In the near future izokulandela
But why? Okay, sisi, tell me.
Wait, I want to hear why did you have to go and fetch cameras?
'Cause
Why
you-
couldn't you
Because
just ask?
listen to me each and every
Yes.
time engizama ukukhuluma nawe. Uhlezi ufuna ukulwa.
Wait,
wena.
Yeah,
it's
don't,
fine,
wait,
it's good
don't
uzwe
point
yini.
me. Don't
Yeah.
point me, my
Listen, each and
sister.
every time angithona uhlezi uthemba ukuthi wena uyakhona ukukhuluma
Yeah.
wena angiphikisani nawe so in order angithi ne-family yakho awufuni si-involve it's fine it's also fine so maybe iJosie Pescope izongisiza
So what are they gonna do about it?
No.
What are you guys gonna do? What
You
is
see,
the
we
government gonna do
came,
about
we
it?
came humbly to you.
Okay.
And you
I'm
seem
fine.
like
But
you are fighting with us.
you're making me angry
Yeah,
now.
why are you angry?
Why couldn't he just come and speak to me?
So why? Okay, why are you taking out these abantwana bakhe?
Because I don't want more kids and I don't know how
why
to
do
tell
you
this
do you
boy
love
and
him?
this guy nicely.
Wait, do you love him?
Yes, I do. He knows.
Can you please?
Don't you know?
I know he doesn't.
maybe I used to know not
Ah.
So define love for me. What do you love about him? That he's taking care of your kids.
And of me.
Your relationship is about you.
It's all about you. Yes.
No.
This is what I've been telling.
Yeah.
I told you yesterday. I told you.
No, that's not the
joking,
thing.
yeah.
I just don't want more kids.
So-
We're fine like
Okay,
this. I'm not
so
fine.
you still
I
wa-
just say you are fine. You are fine. I'm not fine with you. If I was fine with you, I was not gonna call these people
Yes.
to come out here.
You still want kids. So what are you gonna do about that?
And listen, Chantel, because I don't wanna lie, I love you. And then like ngakuthanda
Now
from the
you
first
love
day.
me.
Awu, ngingayeka ukuthanda.
Oh.
And listen, yabona after ne because ngiyakuncanywa ne.
Yeah.
I'm giving you 3 months of this relationship. After 3 months, if you don't get pregnant, ne,
Yeah.
it's a done deal. It's over for me and you. Lento lelo kuyenza izokuhansa in the near future. I'm telling you, mark my words.
Are you gonna give him kids?
We'll see.
We'll see. No,
We
we were.
want you to say you see.
We-
Say it in front of
He's giving me
everyone.
3 months.
No, we are giving you.
You
We,
will work there 3 months for
I mean,
for the
okay, me since we are here now as Joseph Pascope, 3
Yeah.
months is too much. We wanna know,
I
are you
want
gonna?
to know now.
Yeah, are you gonna give birth or what?
Eh,
What's that? Oh, you're not sure. My brother,
Yes,
me.
I will. I will.
No, you're still gonna take out.
will. I won't take out anymore. I'm sorry.
Why were you even taking it?
Why?
We'll speak about that maybe
No, what?
when
no,
we're alone.
We wanna know
I
why.
wanna know.
Why you want all these
The
people
world
want
wanna know,
to-
everyone wanna know.
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Why were
Why
you
so
taking
why
out?
did you even do that from the first place? When's the land?
Why?
I didn't want more responsibilities.
I'm
That's the
working
thing.
here.
Yes.
I'm the man of the. I'm working here. I provide.
I'll be the one that's giving birth.
So?
Not you.
Are you gonna
So-
be supporting? Yimi ngondlayo angithi. So when the only okay kahle wena lo ufail ukulandela umthetho wami. Mina ezinto
Oh.
sifuna abantwana. And when you
And how many kids do you want, my
neBhayibheli
brother?
liyasho. At least kuye mfethu. Mina Chantel maybe like so na 2 yeah. Let me be.
No, for you, let's not go with what she wants.
I
Let's
want
go.
two.
You
Now I
want
want
two.
two, man.
Sure.
So you want us to have 4?
Yes. No, he wants to. You guys to have. Yes.
Uko fair man.
So-
That's
oh,
not fair.
Now we can start with 1. We'll see.
No,
It's fine
I
because we see
don't.
the
I don't
comment. I don't
believe.
trust- I
no,
also
don't
don't
believe
trust
So
you.
how do you want me to prove to you that it's fine? It's going to happen.
At least give me closure.
Yeah.
Why you even do
Why?
that from the
Yes.
first
At
place?
least.
I was scared of having more. That's why.
So now you're gonna have more. You are no longer scared.
Now I see it's
Why-
it's doing,
why?
it's hurting him. So I'll just.
Is it the
because
first
I
time he
love him,
speaks?
I'll
Is
give him-
it the first time that he talks about this?
No.
So why now? Because it's not the first time. And even yesterday he says he spoke to you. Me, I don't understand.
Yesterday you came to speak to me. Why today you come with cameras?
Iphele kanjani indaba yezolo? Like
Yes.
sisolve kanjani?
It doesn't matter. We'll solve it,
doesn't
man.
matter.
How?
You see into emporanga uhlezi ushiya izinto zilenga sizoyiqeda sizoyikhuluma and then this is yabo manje ngifuna yonke into engiyibuzayo ungiphendule la. Okay, why from the first place
Yes.
bokhipha iziso zami? Zingaki iziso zikhiphiwe?
Yes.
Or
How
ufuna
many?
ngitshele
It was 2 only.
why did you do that?
I was scared to have more
Lapho each and
kids.
every time nginawe uhlezi ngitshela ufuna sibe ne family, but how could you do this?
So did you tell him when you took out?
No, I didn't.
So what do you call that?
This is my body. I don't have to consult with anyone when I do something.
What?
But this is my body. If I feel like I can't.
And I know you're not gonna feel like you want in the next coming 3 months. You're just lying to us.
You
right
won't
now.
be here, so you mustn't talk.
So that's
won't
why
be
you.
here.
So you want.
You won't be
You are
here.
saying yes because you want us to
You
go.
won't be here.
Yes,
You
that's the
talk.
reason.
You won't be here.
No, there's
Those are
no
the
way,
lies.
my brother. Me, I don't think she's gonna give birth to you. Yeah,
You shouldn't think anything because this is not your business.
Where is your family?
Asindaba yakho le.
Where's the indaba yami ke?
ah,
Where is your family?
It's none of your business.
No, we want your. We want your.
Okay, ungenaphi wena?
December I wanted to go home with you. You said what?
Bro.
Awuzange uzufune nokukhama.
Yes.
You don't want to meet my family. You don't want me to meet your family. Yini enzakalayo ngawe? Yini?
Why should I go meet your family so far?
Where is
Guys,
your family?
again,
Where is your family?
Oh.
My family live close by. We'll speak about that.
No, can we go and talk to your family
Why
now?
should we go to my family?
Because we wanna be
No.
sure. Until you need to get married, you need to. Then he needs to lobola you in the right manner.
No. You know, we'll speak, Manny.
No, let's speak now. We are here
Ah,
now.
man. Are you gonna give me the kids?
I will.
No, let's go.
Are you sure about
Me,
that?
I want to meet you to meet her family, my
Listen,
brother. Ayikho le
listen
ndaba
to
le.
me.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you listening to him? He's gonna go. That's what I'm telling you. We will speak, man.
When
Isn't
before
it?
ahamba abesekasheli solution. I wasn't
Yes.
gonna call this guy
Yes.
if ever I knew that me and you were gonna like discuss this out.
And right now-
Nyazi.
Right now, there's no solution. We want to meet your family.
Niemand
Let's
gaan my
go see
vir
your
hey
family.
fuck jou. Loop. Fuck
Oh,
uit.
so yeah, we not we ain't loping nowhere. Oh, but Mr. Jones, hey, Black Sin.
Kwenzakala. Hey,
Mamela,
you know why I don't want to.
I don't know.
He's not even a color, this boy, man. You think I must give him children?
What?
Hey, fuck off. Hey, Lopel.
He's not even a what?
He's not even a color.
Yima, I'm Zizela, Mr. Jones. Manje wathi billahi.
Woman for the pussy.
Ah no, ngicela umbambe balela ngicela umbambe.
Hey, fuck you, man. Fuck you. Fuck
No,
you.
wait, now-
Hey,
now
take
tell me
your
some-
cock and go, yeah.
No, ayingazokaka amasimba uwe, amasimba uwe.
Cock and go, yeah.
Kaka and go wena uwe kumele uthathe ikaka yakhe and go. Mr. Blackson kuyangibamba lokho. Mr. Blackson ubambe lo mfazi. Wait, come here. Awuzela sisami. Fuck, who must fuck off?
I will fuck off.
Who must fuck off?
I will try.
Ukhan who? Who must khan?
Mama angakuthola mama.
Ngikutshelile ngathi unamanga lona. I told you nje yami ngathi unamanga lona ngeke kuzalele. So, because he's not a colored, he's not gonna keep that for you.
Never. Yeah.
So you've been
Because
using
I
him.
don't want a Zulu child.
Wait.
Fuck you.
Oh, you've been using him when?
Hey, fuck off.
So you are using him. You are using his man.
Hey,
Mr. Blackson.
What is so? I said take your
Blackson,
cock and move.
please.
now.
Kunjani kanti lokho? Oh, uyadelela wena. No mfethu, no, let's say package lo. No, asimncede.
Akaphume la kithi.
No, singamnceda ukuthi package balela ngiyacela.
Aphume
Ungazi bale.
Hello.
You still young.
Hey, Chantel.
You still young.
Yeah,
You're still young.
Fuck off.
Mr. Jones, please help her to package. There's no way. We can't leave her
Hello.
here. Hey, wena Mr.
Uma.
Jones is helping you to package lapho.
Luaphi.
So sizova ngawe kanti la. No bale ngibonile lo ngikutshelile mina mangifika ngathi something is not make sure. Akuthela ukuthi uvuma kuphela ngoba ufuna sivayo.
Uzoba namabhadi yazi emfethu inkolelo moyo mokhipha isisi kumele uyogezwa umntana akagezwa anhle kangazi kwenzakala.
No, because maybe angithi yi belief yabo bona bakholela lokho mfethu.
Okay,
Akazi
right,
ukuthi kunezinye izinto ukuthi ziyenzeka in African uyangithola ngoba manje uyabo and asimjudge for lokho mara simjudgela ukuthi why ezodlala ngawe for 4 years balelami.
Akaphumi.
Toka ngeke. No, ngeke simshiye la nto. You are still young, une future bale khona umuntu obukele nalapha ku Jozi Bioscope manje you can get a wife. Ngeke balela ngiyacela if you need to call your family ngicela ubafonele ngiyacela doc
Manje.
Yeah, fonela ifamily yakho batshela ukuthi lento lena ayisasebenzanga and it's not gonna work anymore. No, mara akekho favor fethu. Yiva uthini? Uthi because he's not a colored. So shoot it all the time uBrian bekazohlala emnakekele taking care of you. Oh, okay. No stress, guys. Because manje Mr. Jones, we need to get a car, proper car. So we need to go see imoto that side. Sibuye sizomqoqela lo muntu la izinto zakhe kubo njengabanje. Angeke edlale lo muntu semusha is still a gentleman akanangane akanafokolo yena unengane ezu2 and he's been taking care of ingane zakhe. For 4 years ingane ezu2 kanti uyazi yena ukuthi udlala ngaye uyahamba uyocela amaphilisi lapha uthi imzimba wakhe lona what do you call that? Angazodlala ngathi siyomqoqisa lo bafethu mangabe unenkinga nawe efana nalo umuntu engafuni ukukuzalela siyacela bafethu lapha emakhaya nis-emailele on josiebioscope.co.za or nisibhalele on social media sikhona all across Facebook, TikTok yonke indawo siyi Jozi Bioscope.